Here's the new Z Fold8 lineup in all 4 colors. These 3 will be available generally. This is on the Samsung website only. To give you an idea of kind of how this lines up against, let's say, the Pixel Fold. This is the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. Much shorter device. I even have the Fold7 from last year as a reference point. You see that's a lot longer, a lot taller. There you go. And yeah, it's a really interesting format. You can see it's only a two camera configuration. And that's kind of how it looks in the hand. It's a much smaller device. I would also add that when you open it, it's a very different kind of experience.
It's reflecting in the screen.
Right there, it's open. You can see it's a very interesting aspect ratio. It's actually a 4:3 or a 3:4 depending on how you hold it. And then it's a 16:10 when it's closed, just like that. And yeah, it's an interesting, a little bit more compact form factor, but it does sacrifice one of the cameras. You still get the triple camera on the Ultra, but these are the 4 colors. And yeah, it'll be slightly cheaper than the Ultra, but not by much. It has a 4800 milliamp hour battery instead of a 5000, and it will have the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. And I believe the retail price is around $2,000. So yeah, that's it.